Hello बच्चों. First let's read this question. The question says among the statements. तो इस question में हमें दो statements दिए गए हैं. The statement 1 says P implies Q or not P and Q is a tautology. And the second statement says Q implies P implies not P and Q is a contradiction. तो अब हम इस question में truth tables बना के we will find which statement is correct and choose the correct option from here. तो इस question के लिए हमें ये की कंसेप्ट्स की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. दैट इज द की कंसेप्ट्स used in this question will be, first is we will use the property P implies Q. इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं negation P or Q. This is the first property we will use in this question. And the second property is that जब हम truth table बनाएंगे, so for conjunction which is and P and Q value will be true if and only if both P value is true and Q value is true. Remaining all the cases, value will be false. And similarly, हम disjunction को यही property apply करेंगे that disjunction which is represented by R. So P or Q truth value will be false if and only if P value is false and Q value is false. Remaining सारे cases में the truth value will be true. So हम ये दोनों की concepts को use करके अभी ये दोनों statements को solve करेंगे. तो first we have the statement 1 which says P implies Q and not P and Q. First we will check if this is a tautology. So first property use करके ये boolean expression हम solve करेंगे. So we will get not P or Q or not P and Q. तो यहाँ पे हम एक truth table बना लेंगे. So we will have P, Q, negation P. यहाँ हम negation Q नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि we don't have negation Q in this boolean expression. And we have to find negation P or Q का value and negation P and Q's value. So in this truth table, first let's randomly take the truth values. So let's take true, false, false, true, 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 false, false. Now taking negation of P. Negation of truth will be false, negation of false will be truth, truth will be false and false will be truth again. अब हम ये find करेंगे negation P disjunction Q. So we have learned from for second property that for the disjunction, the truth value will be false only when both values are false, which is happening only in one case here. So only this will be false and remaining all will be true. And similarly, हमने ये देखा है for conjunction, the truth value will be true only when both are true, which is happening only in the second case. So only this will be true, remaining सारे cases में हमें false मिलेगी. अब हम इन दोनों function का disjunction लेंगे. So here we can clearly see on taking disjunction here, we are getting a false value. That is, here both values are false. So the truth value will be false. Remaining all cases, it will be true. So for tautology, we need to get truth values for all the expressions. But here we got a false value. So clearly we can say that statement 1 is not a tautology. Not a tautology. तो यहाँ पे statement 1 is not true. अब हम statement 2 को simplify करेंगे. So we have statement 2 which says Q implies P implies negation P and Q. Now we have to check if this statement is a contradiction. तो पहले हम ये इसको simplify कर लेंगे using first property. So we have negation Q or P implies negation P and Q. Now using the first property again here, we will have negation of negation Q or P or negation P and Q. तो इसको simplify करने से we will get negation of negation Q will be Q. And here disjunction will become conjunction on taking negation, and we'll take negation P. Disjunction, negation P and Q. So this is the simplified version of the given Boolean expression. अब इस पे हम एक truth table बनाएंगे. So for that we need values negation P and Q. So similarly, like what we did in the previous question, we'll make a truth table here. P, Q, negation P, and next we will take Q and negation P and negation P and Q. Here we can clearly see ये दोनों वैल्यू सेम ही है, तो एक ही ले लेंगे हम negation P and Q. So first let's randomly take the values. True, false, true, true, false, true, false, false. Now taking negation of P. Negation of truth will be false. Negation of true, false again. False will be true and true. अब हम negation P and Q को consider करेंगे. So here from the first property we learned, when we take and, that is conjunction, the truth value will be true only when two values are true, which is happening only in the third case. So यहाँ third case में हमें true मिलेगी. Rest of the सारे cases में we will get false. Now here the value will be same for not P and Q as well. False, false, true and false. Now when we take disjunction for them, we will get false, false will be false. Again we have false, false, which will be false. Here we have true, true. So in this case, it will be true. And false, false will be false. तो हमें यहाँ पे एक true value मिल रही है. So we can clearly see this is not a contradiction. Because इसको contradiction होने के लिए सारे values false ही होने चाहिए. But we are having a true here. So we can write statement 2 is incorrect because it is not a contradiction. So finally, we can conclude that from the given statements, both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. तो यहाँ पे on analyzing सारे options, we can see option A, neither S1 and S2 is true, is the correct answer. I hope you understood the concept. Good luck.